What's the next big move for the Aussie dollar? The AUDUSD is at a critical crossroads, and today we're breaking down the charts to see where it might be headed next. Right now, the market sentiment is deeply divided. It's a real tug-of-war between buyers and sellers, creating a tense and volatile environment. We've seen a significant sharp drop recently, which has brought out traders on both sides of the aisle, each with a compelling story. Let's first look at the case for the bears, the sellers. Several analyses point to a classic bearish setup. One chart shows a potential double top pattern, a strong reversal signal with a breakdown below the neckline at approximately 0.6550. This move suggests sellers are in control, with some targeting lower levels around the 0.650 psychological mark. Another strategy confirms this, showing a short trade initiated around 0.6521, citing a clean rejection from a resistance zone. So for the bears, any move up towards 0.6550 is a potential selling opportunity. But the bulls, the buyers, aren't giving up without a fight. Multiple strategies are looking for a bounce, arguing that the pair is still in a broader uptrend. One analysis identifies a potential buying point right around 0.6518, with a target up near 0.6560. Another strategy is even more optimistic, calling for a long trade from the 0.6550 area with a target above 0.660. These traders see the recent dip as a pullback and a chance to buy at a discount. So what's the deciding factor here? A key piece of the puzzle comes from the 4-hour chart, which has printed a doji candle right around the 0.6520 level. A doji candle signifies indecision in the market. After a big downward move, this tells us the selling pressure is pausing. This level is now the battleground. A break below it could signal another leg down, while a strong bounce from here could give the bulls the momentum they need. To summarize the key takeaways, the market is showing conflicting signals, so caution is advised. The bears are looking at resistance near 0.6550 with a breakdown targeting 0.650. The bulls are trying to defend support around the current 0.6520 level, hoping for a bounce back towards 0.6590 or higher. The key level to watch is 0.6520. The direction the price takes from this pivot point could set the tone for the coming sessions. As always, trade smart and watch for confirmation before making your move.